In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to your Hostinger online store using the website builder. Let's start inside your Hostinger website builder dashboard. Open the site you want to accept payments on and head to the store area. Look for the store or commerce settings panel. This is where you control how customers check out, what currencies you use, and which payment options appear at the end of an order. Inside the store settings, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Online Payment Gateways. Different templates may name it slightly differently, but you're looking for the place that lists the processors you can enable. This is where you'll add Stripe so your customers can pay with major cards and supported wallets quickly and securely. From the list of available payment options, choose Stripe. Selecting it will start a guided connection process. Stripe is popular because it's fast to set up, covers a wide range of countries and currencies, and helps reduce friction at checkout. Next, sign in to your Stripe account. If you don't have one yet, create it through the prompt you see. The setup asks for basic business information so Stripe can verify who is receiving funds. Keep your legal details handy so everything matches official records. You'll be redirected through a secure Stripe page to complete this. When prompted, authorize Hostinger to connect with Stripe. This secure authorization lets your store create charges without you having to paste any secret keys. After you approve, you'll return to Hostinger with the connection established. Complete your business and payout details in Stripe if you haven't already. Add your legal business name, address, and customer support information. Then connect a bank account or card for payouts. Make sure names and account details are accurate to avoid delays. Depending on your region, Stripe may ask for additional verification to keep payments compliant and secure. Follow the on-screen guidance until your account shows as enabled. Back in Hostinger, save your payment setup. Publish or update your site so the changes go live. Now it's time to test the checkout on your store. Add a product to the cart, proceed to checkout, and confirm that Stripe appears as a payment option. Run a quick test purchase to ensure everything flows smoothly from your site to Stripe. Afterward, check your Stripe dashboard to confirm the payment arrived and that the order details look correct. That's it. Your Hostinger store is now connected to Stripe. Keep an eye on your first few orders and you'll be ready to accept payments with confidence.